as I start the concept, you start talking. Okay, don't waste the time. And time will be started now. I am going to say that. You please start. The topic is who served the country more, soldier or farmer. Now start.
Soldier or army. So, soldier or farmer, we can see that both are equal in their position, and soldier can serve our country very fine, and they can protect our country also. If we have the situation to like a war and something else in terrorist attacks or something else, then they can serve our country very finely. And we have seen in so many days that a terrorist or so many other countries attacked on our country, and at that time soldiers saved us, and they protected our country. And we have the example that suppose they have the situation, the soldiers we have the situation to do or die, then in that situation some of the people flee away, but they don't flee away because they have to protect their country, and they have to be sacrificing on our country, on their country. And in another way, a farmer, and farmer also saves our country very good, because without food we can't survive for a long day, and they give us foods and so many things. And we can see in the if we mm, eh, fight, if they will quarrel, then we can see that farmer can do a lot of things than a soldier, because if the time of the situation the soldiers are killed, and they are not able to fight, then at that situation our citizens can also fight, and they can also do something like a war. But without farmer, soldier or anything, anyone else can't do croppings and something else. And my last point of view is soldiers are the best, because if we do, farmers are the best, because without farmer we can't survive for a long time. And that's all.
Good. Means you mean to say that farmer is better than soldier.
Yes, sir.
We have paid many points for this, and actually it is a great thing. Then you have done wonderfully good. Yes, please.
Yeah, so I am agree with Anish's point that he said if in borderlines there is a terrorist attack and our army get that, and in that situation we all know that how can we fight with our enemy.
Yeah.
They all know, but we all don't know that how can we cultivate, how can we grow crops, and that's all. But I want to say that it's not necessary that in our borderline our soldiers will have to fight daily. It's not a daily war, but in our daily life we need food daily to survive. That's all. I want to say that farmer is more important.
Yeah. Osmi.
Today our topic is who serves the country more in farmer or soldier. And I think both are serve the country more, because if we talk about farmers, then farmers are hard workers. They work hard. As we know that farmer 75% people are dependent by agriculture, because without agriculture we can't get food, and without food we can't get meat. They do work in every season, like autumn season, rainy season, and scorching sun for us. They give us grain, vegetables, and so many things. And if we talk about soldiers, then they also serve the country more, because they protect our country, and they don't go to hard work in any festival, in any situation. They protect our country and stand to face the problem and save our country. They sacrifice their life for the prestige of our country. And without the soldier, our country's people can't be saved of terrorism. So I think farmer and soldiers both are save this country.
Sania.
I think
worldwide country for agriculture. 70% people work in food. They depend on agriculture. We are buying fruit, vegetables from food grains. We are essentially requiring that just from farmers. Whether he is in class 4th, employee or president, they eat food by agriculture. Farmer does very hard work. I think farmers are the country's future.
Yes.
It is a very difficult question that who serves better, a farmer or a soldier. Like a question that what is your main important, your hand or leg? I think sir, both are equally important, farmer and soldier for our country, because if both are depends on each other. If a soldier, if a farmer not cultivate, then we are dying, and a soldier also. And in other hand, if soldier not doing his duty properly, then we are dying by terrorists. So I think both are important for our